Alright, good morning and happy Sunday. It's a little chilly this morning, 55 degrees, which in Florida is cold. Just a quick recap. So I have one last section left to do. Looks like they moved the vehicle. So I'll actually will work my way and take care of that last, is what the plan is. And then the focus for today is going to be this corner of the building. So I've got these stairs, a little bit of concrete work. This building, you can definitely see some green. Some more concrete work. This corner over here is pretty rough. I'll get kind of a close-up over here. You can see this concrete definitely needs some cleaning. This corner, and then up along the gutter line as well. I'll make for some good before and after pics. Concrete down through here. There's a lot of stuff back here, so definitely gonna have to work around it as best as I can. And I'll actually start over on this corner first. These businesses, they open up around noon, so I want to try and get out ahead of them. See if I can't get this cleaned up a little bit. And then this concrete through here. This section over here is actually what I did a couple of months ago. Overall, looks pretty good. There's a couple of spots that I will touch up on my way out. Shouldn't take much. Just a quick shot and rinse. Want the whole building to look good for them. By the time they get back, you can see up there. So I'll get that all taken care of, and got water hooked up, starting to fill my buffer tank, and I'll pull out my hoses and get started. This should be the last Sunday. Got to talk to the customer tomorrow, find out how he wants to handle some of the tile roofing that's on the front of the building, just getting access to it. But otherwise, everything should clean up. We'll see how it turns out. Alright, let's do a job recap. So I got everything buttoned up. I was able to get this last parking spot done. You can see everything looks clean and uniform. Overall, everything turned out real nice. Take a look over here on the side. This was the focal point for today. If you can remember, this parking pad was black. Got it all cleaned up. Got the wall cleaned up. Overall, the wall wasn't too bad. all this fencing, this sidewalk here, washed all down along the backside. Luckily I got it finished up before they opened up for business. Down along this wall here. Inside the little courtyard. If you remember, this was green and all kinds of nasty. That came out real nice. There's some more green over on this side as well. And got the sidewalks all done. So that's it for today. On the way home, got to stop and do a quote. Otherwise, plan to spend the rest of the day just relaxing. Appreciate everyone watching as I've progressed through this project. This is definitely the biggest one I've done. I think 178,000 square feet total. So very big facility. And I was only able to get to it on the weekends, primarily on Sundays. Definitely look forward to doing some more commercial work, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.